Hey, this is Chris, and welcome to Winemaker TV. If you like beer, if you like wine, if you like cider, and you ever thought about making it yourself, well, this is the place for you. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll know every time I come out with a new video and a new wine. Also, there is a Facebook group I've created, and the link will be in the description below. So join there, and you can share tips and tricks and just build the community. Today, we'll be doing a step 2 of a 2-step process of making a hop cider, so stay tuned. Okay, this is step 2 of a 2-step process. You only need 2 things today. You will need the pre-made of your cider. This is 3-gallon batch. And if you missed step 1, there will be a card dropping down right below, probably right now. So click that and you'll see step 1. So first ingredient is to have your 3 gallons or your starting batch of cider, and it's still fermenting, so it ain't got much left to go. And then today I'll be using some Cascade hops, and let's see what this says. It says alpha is 6.3%. The aroma is a medium floral, citrus, and grapefruit. The typical styles you will use with U.S. ales, pale ales, IPAs, and porters. So basically everything. So, and these were pellets. You can get hops that are in the whole, with like the crumply, or you can get the pellets. Okay, we're going to open up our bag of hops. Just have a little scissors and open up the top. Ooh, it does smell real citrusy. Wow, that's good. Smells good anyway. It does smell like grapefruit. Wow, that does smell like grapefruit. And do not take your airlock off your cider until you're just about ready to put this hops in there. So all we have to do next is take off our airlock and put our cider on. So we'll be right back. Okay, all you have to do is just add your hops to it real quick, and make sure you try to leave your airlock off as little time as possible. And so we'll sit here in the primary fermenter for another maybe 2 more weeks to get this flavoring. Then we'll rack it to another carboy to get it off of get it off the hops. So like I said, it's a real easy process today. All we had to do was have our cider, our hops, and that's it. And we'll be right back to wrap things up. And that is it with the step 2 of the process of making a hopped hard cider. So to recap, we had a cider, and we added 1 ounce of Cascade hops to 3 gallons. So 1/3 of an ounce per gallon. So, and that's all there is to it. Once you get your cider made, flavorings are just, let's add it and see what it tastes like. So like I said, they'll sit in that fermenter for a week or 2, probably 2 weeks. And then I'll rack it to another one, and that's all there is. That's it. Simple. And if you like what you see here, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. Join my Facebook group, and also I start up a Patreon page to help me buy ingredients and equipment to keep this thing rolling. So please please go over there and sponsor me for $2 a month to help buy equipment and ingredients. Also, links in the description below for the hops I used to be Amazon affiliate links. And this is Chris with Winemaker TV. That's all there is today. Bye.